Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best sectors that benefit from uncapped funding. If you've ever run a startup or even just a project, you know funding is the oxygen. But imagine a scenario where funding isn't just available, it's uncapped. It's essentially an unlimited pool of resources, and it drastically changes the game. Based on my experience and observations in the financial world, three sectors immediately leap to mind because of their inherent need for massive, long-term capital with high risk tolerance. Deep technology, deep tech, biotechnology and healthcare R&D, and renewable energy infrastructure. Deep tech is the first sector. This isn't about the next social media app. It's about technologies with huge potential for impact, often requiring years of pure research before a viable product even emerges. I'm talking about artificial intelligence, AI, advancement, quantum computing, or revolutionary material science. These fields thrive on uncapped funding because they have an incredibly long research and development runway. A breakthrough could take 5, 10, or even 15 years, and traditional venture capital, which typically looks for a return in 3 to 5 years, simply can't handle that timeline. Uncapped funding allows teams to chase high-risk, high-reward ideas without the constant pressure of quarterly metrics. It lets them fail, learn, and iterate until they hit that truly transformative discovery. The potential returns in terms of human progress and market value are astronomical, but so are the upfront capital needs. Biotechnology and healthcare R&D. Next up is biotechnology and healthcare research and development. Think about developing a new cancer drug or a cure for a major disease. The clinical trial process alone is massively expensive, highly regulated, and takes a significant amount of time. You have 3 main phases, each costing tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars, with no guarantee of success. Uncapped funding removes the existential threat that most biotech startups face when they run out of money mid-trial. It ensures that promising research doesn't get shelved because a grant ran out or an investor pulled the plug. The benefit is clear: accelerated development of life-saving treatments. The return here isn't just financial, it's humanitarian, dramatically improving the quality and length of life for millions, which in turn creates a measurable economic value. Renewable energy infrastructure. Finally, renewable energy infrastructure. Transitioning the global economy away from fossil fuels requires building things on a colossal scale. Vast solar farms, offshore wind projects, next-generation battery storage, and smart grids. These projects aren't high-risk research like deep tech. They are capital-intensive infrastructure plays with long payback periods. A single utility-scale offshore wind farm can cost billions. Uncapped funding, especially from government-backed or philanthropic sources, enables these projects to be launched and scaled immediately without the slow, fragmented process of securing debt, equity, and government guarantees piece by piece. The long-term benefit is a fundamental and permanent shift in global energy generation, creating a new, sustainable economic engine. These three sectors, deep tech, biotech/healthcare R&D, and renewable energy infrastructure, all share a common thread. Their projects are vital, revolutionary, and require a scale of capital and a patience level that only an uncapped funding model can truly satisfy. They aren't looking for a quick profit. They're looking to change the world. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.